Hey folks, another S Group daily review video number 137 here. And yeah, we got our earnings last night. So if you look here, 0.38% is what we earned last night. So I have my two investments running. So I made $78.94 on one, and then $2.50 on the other. And if you add those two numbers together, you get 81.44. So that's how much money I made last night in the system. That came in. And if I go to my investments page, you'll see what my current amount that I have earned. So I have $869.63, guys. And I've made that in 20 days of just having my money invested in the system. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. I can't complain. Also, something else that came in earlier today was some commissions came in. So commission wise, I'm at $216.38. So if I go over to my where is it here? My finance page. I can actually see what I made here. There we go, $168. So one of my team members, I think he invested $1,600. So I got 10.5% of that. So $168 goes into my pocket, guys. So it's up here now. I can withdraw the money, enjoy it. I can reinvest it back in. But I'm basically a week away before I combine my two investments here, guys, which I'll show you on my investments page here. So I have my two investments running, 25,200 and 800. So I'm going to be combining these together once the days pass, once this gets to 28 days. Because that's what I'm doing. I'm combining once every 28 days because you can only combine three times within 90 days. So when I do the fourth combine, it'll be over 90 days. So I'll be good. So I'm going to take whatever the earnings is and which is going to go to the top right. And at that point, I'll have access to the money. I can take it out, reinvest. I plan on reinvesting maybe about 5 to 1,000, somewhere in there, 500 to 1,000. So I want this number here to get to 27,000. I want to keep building this. Once it gets to 30,000, it's going to be great. I'll be making like $100 a day. I'll be averaging that. So that'll be pretty sweet, guys. And yeah, just think about it, guys. I made an investment $800 in 20 days, and that earned me an extra $24.33. So just think, this is all profit, guys. Took the profit back in, now it's making even more profit, $24.33. So just think, like, it's almost like every single month you're getting almost like a $30-$40 raise every single month. Just think about that. If you had some type of, even like a job, for example, or some other type of investment, wouldn't that be sweet? Where you can just kind of make that money all the time, compounding. So just want to give you guys a quick update of my account, just to see how things are going. This S Group company is really growing. There's a lot of different areas now you can invest your money in. So highly encourage you guys, check it out, do your research. I've been with the company since October of 2020, guys. So we're, about basically 2.5 years in, and look how much money I've made so far. This is all my profit, $25,148. American, guys. Incredible. But, most of the money I'm reinvesting back in because I want to grow my principal and get it over, well, I just surpassed 25,000. I want to get it to 50,000. That's the top tiered level, and I'll be making 85% of the share, and the company gets 15. Right now I'm making 80, and the company gets 20. So things are moving along real well, guys. And if you're kind of looking through S Group and you're on YouTube trying to get some more videos and some more information on it, definitely a great way to make some passive income, guys. Like, basically you just have the money invested and you can see the daily earnings that I make in all my videos. So I'm also doing withdrawals. I've done one in my last videos. You can check it out. So if this looks all good to you guys and you want to get on board and start making some passive money, just think about it. All the money you make, you can maybe take an extra trip or buy some stuff for the house or pay some bills, what have you. So it's definitely a great way to make some passive income. So love to have you guys on my team. Click on the sign up link down below. You can join my team, and I'll coach you and educate you on all the stuff you need to know about S Group and all the different money, the opportunities you can make within the company, a lot of different areas. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe link down below so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you can be informed of everything, all the updates, the earnings, the progress, and the withdrawals and everything as I do along the way. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.